Fun facts about flamingos. Flamingos are a type of wading bird that live in areas of large shallow lakes, lagoons, mangrove swamps, tidal flats, and sandy islands. Flamingos are famous for their bright pink feathers, stilt-like legs, and S-shaped neck. 4 flamingo species are distributed throughout the Americas, including the Caribbean. 2 species are native to Africa, Asia, and Europe. The largest species is the greater flamingo, reaching heights up to 1,5 meters and weighs up to 4 kilograms. The smallest species is the lesser flamingo, reaching up to 90 centimeters and weighs up to 2 kilograms. Flamingos are social birds that live in groups of varying sizes, from a few pairs to sometimes thousands or tens of thousands. In East Africa, more than 1.5 million flamingos are known to gather on the lakes, thus forming the largest flock known. A flamingo flies with its head and neck stretched out in front and its legs trailing behind. The flight speed of a flock of flamingos can reach 50 to 60 km per hour. The majority of lakes where flamingos live have extremely high salt concentrations. The only source of fresh water for some of these birds comes from boiling geysers. Flamingos are capable of drinking water that approaches a boiling point. Flamingos eat larvae, small insects, algae, mollusks, crustaceans and small fish. The pink or reddish color of flamingos comes from carotenoids in their diet of animals and plants. Scientists are not sure why flamingos stand on one leg. A possible explanation is that there is less heat lost through the leg if it is tucked away under the bird's body. Pair bonding is very strong and flamingos may be monogamous. However, they have been observed to mate with more than one partner. A flamingo nest is just a mound of mud, maybe 30 to 60 centimeters high. At the top of the mound, in a shallow hole, is where the female lays her egg. The parents take turns to sit on the egg to keep it warm. The chickens hatch after 30 days and the only parental expense is feeding. Chicks lose their juvenile gray or white color gradually to gain their pink feathers over a 2 or 3 year period. Flamingos have relatively few predators in the wild, but this is dependent on the area in which the flamingo inhabits. Human hunters, wild dogs and crocodiles are the main predators, along with eagles. Flamingos tend to live a long life in the wild, with an average of 20 to 30 years. In captivity some of them have lived up to 40 years. Credits